no go say, no go jie, no go oge. No go no me yan talk because mama me ni way. Okay, bam oge, okay so ado me. Uro be me madame, fine. Who got been normal, but una bam oge. After a matter give a phone. Oh man, you got robi me ba. Getting you got the ba egbe me robi me. You got been aniya. Which is normal. I be to settle. I give a settle ne. Akune. Oh my yaro robi me. Me no we no that me gino na. Oh my yaro robi me. Oh my yaro robi me. Wo be yaro robi me. Oh robi me go na robi me. E una shi go give ye. Me no we. Wo we robi me. E una shi go give ye ya. E una shi go give ye. Ona no we get passport. Una ye ne. We went to when we should go give you a birthday, happy birthday to be a lazio, no be a no soon, I don't know, but we go give away for the children. What will be me? What are you going to give back? Nega will be me. I'll be the nuga, all the time. If we're there to tell me whom I love you, me, or I mean, no time concerning my family, let them come and play it. I bet you, my darling, I have nothing against you. And then your panya who we tie, we're not that tie against me. Ni me a hold against you. Yeah, you bet your bonny. I'm not piano behind here, bona. You know, they, yeah, you better be aware. I can't go mad about you. Okay, I can't let you when you're where. I say, make a set beware. Men no way. Oh, me a set beware. They may we ain't to tell it to way. Walking more about me, no way now. Many at here, bona, my wobby me, not you won't be you better do way. And I said, no, be me. Me make a way, I feel it. Talk, we can tell my when you get can, we can, you must look you. Then wait, but when I told you. Okay, you're talking where oh give ammonia to me here. And you know what way they call it near time, what matter. Oh, we can't tell me matter now. Oh, we're talking my mare, only making no way now. Since boy, you know where time my way. Because what my way when I got do it. When I'm making at the one with Bamuzalenia, so Bamuzalena no way now. Did you deceive me to give me her hair to say?
Oh my God, this matter don't they turn to family saga. Lady of Song don't provoke for your husband. He say your husband to the talk. He not get secrets. Chon. What he calls this saga right now? Because say, his husband go tell Frank Victor say, the hair when Lady of Song they sell for live video, na hair word na get am. But the husband tell Lady of Song say, na Destiny Bagwa na get the hair. Destiny Bagwa buy a lot of hair. It can't be like say this one a hair word though. This one a Destiny Bagwa. So as they come Europe, his husband can't give Lady of Song hair, make it come help and sell for Europe. Now later he call the year for live video say, hey, not be Destiny Bagwa girl, na hair word hair. Now he pack give Lady of Song, make come help and sell for abroad. It can't be like say Lady of Song that they use her. It can't be like say na she be stranger for the marriage. Make a live una make una hear tori as Lady of Song disgwagwa her husband Destiny Bagwa, and also make una beg subscribe to my YouTube channel Adoblog Gist TV.
I am angry. If my husband can tell outside of the truth, I deserve to know the truth. Because una day life when I want to say I don't want to make you call any presenter again. You know me say you dey quarrel with them. You don't need to go there explain yourself. Because in the process of explaining yourself, you go come see error. Now what thing I beg my husband? I tell us if you do, I go saga you. I don't sabi lie. I don't sabi come they pretend. If you do them again, I go saga you. You don't need to explain to anybody again. Anything they want to believe, let them believe. Anything they want to do, let them do. What have changed since this whole thing? Nothing. Why you they bother about what person want talk? Not be saying a lie. Even because of my husband. So many nonsense why for not they involve. So many nonsense. When I define myself, where I'm not supposed to involve, I'm not supposed to get close to that area at all. But because of him, I will find myself in that mess. I go begin to ask myself, how did I find myself in this mess? Because I don't remember when this thing not concern me. I'll call the house, how this thing take concern me now? When come be saying, find myself for this mess. I will pity myself. I will just pity myself. So the people they talk say, waiting in they use me they do. You know they use the other one they do. Waiting they they use the other one. I'll just laugh. I'll say, well, they don't know what they talk. They talk with it, they don't know. Everybody cannot be the same. Nobody they send me message. Nobody can tell me say go out and do this or go and talk this. Nobody, not even my husband can send me to go and saga anybody. Nobody. If they tell me say don't do it. You see this last one, so he threatened. You know what it's called threat. He threatened. So that he knows say I dey fear him. He knows say if he talk to me, I will shake out the fear. I know do one. But he shock him. Said this one, I not listening. As he threatened rich, I not listening. If there's anything they are hiding for you, any secret, if you get anything where you tell them, even if not my matter, you tell them. you dey fear say they come talk am. If you like they say I don't love Esther oh, I don't marry her out of pity. Now waiting to do, I don't marry her out of pity. I don't love her. If you gossip with person like that, make the come talk am. Me, I love you. For relationship, either the woman love the man or the man love the woman. I say rich. The love not go fit be equal. Okay, now my own high pass at least. Because no matter how person go greet the rich for this, I say because of money, make you marry you no love. But if you can't decide to go say you go tell person say you don't love me, say na pity you take marry me, he's fine. Me, I love you, so we die here. Then what you call they hide? When you call they call them, don't call nobody again. You don't need to explain to anybody. Because if you like explain from now till tomorrow, what did they believe? Now they still believe. What did they believe? Now they go still believe. And in the process of explaining yourself, because you know what I mean, the saga, you want to explain yourself. In the process, you go see error again. You go see come talk with things you're not supposed to talk with, they'll come go play. You go see go talk with you're not supposed to talk. Now, why I am angry is this. You as a man, I said you are. If they talk, say who get respect pass for this life, who want to pass, and later something want to. He want to be man no matter mama. He may respect it. He man no matter mama. He give no ma. But what mama give me you. Emi ya ni vion wa return eh. E am here we ya. Emi ya no benefit for me. We am here we ya. Won ya mama give me you. Edi na me you. Uti e mo zo, uti wetin zo, me wetin oni ma ku. Okpa o se va aku. Okpa kon okpa ni ku yato. E ti te kon. Now we have been like that. Everybody with you. And I told my husband, respect her wish. Let everybody be okay. And you said okay. If I didn't feel talk by Baba. A live video no by me. Ne Frankie, you will tell me tamame. I tell me call him where. I yet on we here, lady of song. You know what we making. Oh, but a Frankie where? Or that from where time me where a tell what you were here when he ate a mama. But in my believe eh. Now me cannot guy lady of song or go back the time. Okay. Now bet me mammy or tell me a way back a call him or tell me or bona. You know me mammy the video now because me beg gani. You know but I must say guy gume but I'm a guy gume. You know what you may watch a live video game Monica na organ na tell him no so no. Na organ oga okin about la o say me be na to so na ila na ya we me ni o. Me na dey on glita ya watch a meeting Monica ya. Then they can man go ani I wanna send them gume or tell me or he send the gume na we make it beg or we a power or we life ni lao. I make it beg a power. Now when he wa block because he set it a law. Away in okay in ba ya ya gai gume ya gai. He now send the link in like phone we me. He now send the like phone we me na in allow. He now get the wash eh. He now do me tie where we the voice record where a to or we me eh here. And okay. When no say ni hana do la dem pado saga oda for me now. No na go we go o. No na go we go. But in one end go ma ro pa go. A live video na one eh. Because the social media dio quiver no the ene yan gie no dio quiver. Presenters or gie no dio quiver. Presenters or dio quiver no the ene. Presenters or the ene. Yan gie. A presenter say family logger representer opa. A family here representer we presenter. So imem no go ye call ave presenters. Imem no go call a presenter. So imem ni go call we be na pa. Emi ni go call we or you be call we. No ya be temata ma, no you be toge ma we. Imem no go toge ma we. Because who feel ne wo nu call pa. Who temata ma eh. Tis wo nu gun enu toge ma eh. Who temata ma. So imem no go call you we pa. Because the time I go you call any presenter to explain himself, he can saga. Then all Frankie ni not tell me we Frankie tani what come here we eto all we making what good time me Frankie video. Now I want to explain eto ni be no yare since we in emet emi no odowa me wu wa iyan saga ime wo wa ma be we na gun ma be we gun wo wa ma be we emi no sunu before me ke be so ahie to ni me bu be ta we me e wi me wa mo to na la dia so ahie iyan ga saga me ba gbon ma be we na gie yo mana gossip yan iyan ga saga me ba gbon iyan ga is poli ma be sere we sere ade ma is buena koko wa buketo bi gba breaking news o le de so kiketo breaking news ina wo ga is ton iyan na we trust yan mana koko tai make it ba Nigeria we know and he can't tell me smart gbe o You can't tell me smart, but I am very, very smart. I know. Also, any people now must have because in years or ya dweki, ezoma kaki. Business is business. They don't play with it. With their business, not be buying table. But I don't know. Maybe let me not go there. Let me not go there. Then me we mawo o maneku yen gi meku because we man di kume yen ma gwalo ni maria space ni yen me mo now it may agree your now mo ti assume yo lao now me agree now we no more. Everybody maintain your space. No more. I don't tire. I don't try my best. I don't fit again. Maintain your space as you wish. We don't do it. And that's so it be. In the process of standing by that rules and regulation of maintain your space, he said to me, "Emi no get ya. Emi ni ye wo ge ni mweri ya. Emi ni ye wo na mie bae ni mweri ya. Emi ni ye wo dafima or invest yo. Or dafima invest yo. Or dafima or you go yo. Ani go avele bare. Or dafima me ye wo. Or we yari bae. Or we ya we mi. Igo le bala wa. O what dafima ogimeno. O what dafima ogiyeno. Emi no dafima didi ame ogimano. Emi ni meme ogo dafomeno. Emi ni yeme ogo dafimano. Oko ima bie yo. O saloba we abie yo. Emi ni my hame ogimano. When no say na ogima because a family ni ode. Erioe. Ima ya ton dafima mo. Until my working machine. Or emi no go to my working machine. Or we are no me go be now no me be 5 million ya me real ladan. Go, please, go darling, go. Oh yeah, me real ladan. You have been not by 5 million, me real ladan. Sorry darling, sorry, I'm sorry. Okay? So emi ni yege invest jine. Meseti kwenoria. Root down wetin mo or root down with my woman ni gbaku. Emi no invest ji ni medori ya ewa. Eke ni me na ya mi ni wa, eba me na ya ogo da fi mewa. Emi no ma not la wa, eba me na mu ria. Ah, what kokodolo waji, but I cool, I see kegbe. E da oge maintain the band oge yo gwalo eji. But o mami we emi no ma jo wa ni mu ria ni gban fo a. E ma mu avati gunme. Iu as far as e to no hono iroba he. O ma we wivi keka wa no we wivi iroba he no wivi no wa o e making oni yan making oni na you ma o. E to no as far as e to no. Iu u gbese ki le lian price e. No make na he. Ni no bia make na he we gini go ni anteta. I go na na te be la me po. Ina we you go not tell me po my price no agree to pay anyway. Mama when I get when na I'm making one so yet we but we are mama agree iwe ve off iwe because e kenina we na se gbe me digin because you got shut for me digin gbe me si digin e kyo we me garia or affect other for me abi wa ma e kyo we me na ria or affect other for me because of that day other for me abi ya gwali go no be dori yo e ba no na affect so I must do everything possible to make sure it is okay. Or see any name job you more vateto me amure now or dafime in deto ni akeye Vietnam na or deto e ri otama me imalele yanjo emi no tama me no imalele yanjo otama me we yen invest yen be deto owo bi yen be deto owo bi yen cause yen ijo le lejo yen na do me we a business na we have we so but orin ni yen de na yen ore o se yen de imani yen be do de yen de owo bi yen o wi yen de wa dam yo se o wa ni yen mata nisin owo bi yen odore yen na be do yen be hion yen be mi iro again iwo yen na de o give de ona be degun me na lo kekan me mu jun na ma yigo de yen do egun me ma yigo de e no se na do me we I ga be lo e fancy me na be bege e yen like yen be do de because so many times in alweto yen mu egen we ni lady of song lo na e yen de yen kin so yen be vio me be joy oh na kind of advert no be me be yagun de even when he open to me they tell me say this when I give you when I come that day people when see people when why you joy why you roy immediately why joy yen na wa ko yen wa re your master kin ma ya wa do ebun o da fi mo tan mi na ipa yen ti a wa do ebun yen wa roy yen umaye jono na imaye jono na because umaye joke ya join next week so that me am making a doy I dey buy here with my money I dey buy I get plenty I dey dash people anyhow Even the one when I go buy from another place, where now people go find and go there because they feel I buy from there and I not they buy from another place, I buy from there. But I sometimes they follow person they buy. Say bring and like you have patronize have be can have guess in ni jamais genie. You will bring and ya do ya joke by your baby jano mave. But even though say we know they play, anywhere where I see say she take do advert, I like her because I dey see different bloggers they carry on. I go screenshot and go send and give my husband. I beg this hair so I like her. Take money buy and come for me. I know they care. Say we know they play. Now I go buy her from that place. I still buy from her. Now she had the thing as we they talk. Now she had the buy from. Thing as we they talk. I'll give my husband money. Collect and come for me. Ilele mi na gbonta. Igwe de to. Egin ya fi won mu. Egin ya won pa. Emi no pa sunu dame. Because Imadia boss alo boy, Imadia bo man. Then when I they come, you told me, I know soon I they go Vietnam. Now I go buy her. I know. You told me. I don't want to go into details about that. Then you beg me. Hey, where you buy for grant, won't affect go. My claim it since. And you want to go and claim it now. And you need money, join money. And the ones where you affect buy con small seed day for your own. Where you buy for your own. Small seed day. When you never sell finish. So as I they go abroad, so I beg get me seller. I said, okay. You pack and come for me. As you pack and come for me. What did I do? I know say people like Saga. And Saga they help for business. I know say Saga if no. Saga they help for business. I said, okay. If you bring her, I know if you say I come buy my husband hair. Or I can say I come buy hair word hair. Because I know they sell hair for hair word. Now my husband they sell hair for. Now he give me hair for your own hair where you buy. Now so he tell me. Say the hair where you buy, where they sell me. Make I help and sell her. You not tell me say na hair word hair. If to say you see tell me say na hair word hair, I go see sell her. And you as my husband, you know. That's why una they call me Mumu. But I don't be Mumu. Ija go ma ko mi no rigore. Ija gbe zaga. Ikwe because we are in my buy na rinwe na rinwe. Rinwe be there. O gba big ba igi rinwe. O do body no so gossip we. O ma tama me get to no. Dey to wait tama me. Ije be mi o we. Yeti talo. Yeti wa talo jo. Because it's Italo. Any man done Italo, or David Talo. It Italo. We know they play. You go give me the you know say we know they play. Yeah, you Italo your name, you bring gun. You know when Italo is here, but you lied to me. No matter man we talking. When we're then. And you know what happened. We give you Tony Semana. In a yawa we always say that in the process in here as a guy many because he was shared to A and B ne. No one man. When why I show because why even my neighbor, why even my you ever what? Emi wama all say na so na fia wu. Iya na wu do with your timely death. What we wama ko mi gbesa we mi amekere no na wa wu. Because emi nu ma obo wo e umunya hu. Igbina na owu e wu kan gbina. Ame no same kwa bo be same kwa we. Here we are what time where my daughter they say a Saga no can allow but oh pay. I know. If not, I for talk and say now my husband get her if I'm a seller. I'll talk and say now my husband get her. Where they say? But I know say if I talk and say now my daughter get her, may we Saga no see. Oh be happy here. E man ibu the way I go follow abeg. Man go for he second don start to dey sell. Abeg o why get there o la. Ni pesters why get there. Over Sabini almost po. Over Sabini must be happy here. Yes, because over over Sabi bunye gbe mi no mi over Sabuni must be happy here. Ni aya gbina ni yi winere no makaya ni. E marketing ya here. Or you may decide where you are where. Ni why you are happy because e come my way. I no get strong mind. And nothing go happen to me. Anytime I feel like if this marriage not dey conducive for me again, I go walk out. Nobody can hold me. If it not dey conducive for me, I go walk out. But guess what? I will not walk out. I'm not going nowhere. Emi ni me be marriage na. O na ni me be marriage na. Emi ni me be marriage na. If we can't go out, we are here. He go. I know they go. Unless a bag white the time I know they do again. He give me a what boom slippers. No go see my brake lights. And I pray it should not happen. Because if it happen, because now you they feel like Esther must live destiny. Esther must live destiny. Esther must do this. Esther must do that. We must pursue Esther. Okay. Me bien ga go deliver. My husband is a good man. He is a nice man. Odo fe o ma fe wa garu yi no do no ri ma yo wa o e ma ta no ami obi odo kere ami obi odo tin ne odo uji no gwe ni wo iwa respect iwa ri ogo ne iwa ri ene to the last ama iwe o ma be poor wa ni wo broken enia wa mi enia e do ayin wa bae wa we ri o ma wu o be na we wa kian o yo bo yen teje e do ayin wa bae wa wo poor okay wa say ani ma be no ya poor ni me dey okay with it wa give it Esther must to leave wa bet ni me bet anyone wa ni winere mu ni e dey no wa tama me Esther okay I know they do again they go wa bet if no be if be can all that age no wa kan ya so amobi okan o ya mobi okan o ya mobi okan o ma kerio una go shock o ma na be obi okan una go shock wa kan ya tawe when no say no saloba kan na we me berio e ko e ga we me gbege but to saloba pa on even ke dadore jie you even no ya kian me veni dadora ore you even no ya bless some here to make the person enemies say you even no ya we okay you even no ya we o be shock wa yen wa ye mo wa geme na be shock wa Wani what anyway you go come out we go drive eri wazua we wazuo jinai u come meti ogwa na e u come minister iwipa ibu evata jina ipa inye ga itai we irikun when no say na time gbon wa make na we no ta wi irikun o say na time na because emi nu wa who target eri yo the wrong side wa target eri emi nu wa who the wrong side e wa target eri wa target eri side me o ime gyo dem wa be wa we na obon wa we side yin we wa saloba wa ge kan no ka wi irikun so that yin do time we okay irikun when e sabinisu na be brother solo we no ya bomb bata o we pa o wa bon fium all that no no good me all the time all the suffer but I will move on without looking back but o wa ti mama dan o making arudu wa ni me do wa we ni me ma wo de emi ni me gwa wo ni me do wa we ye set to do wa we I must be who I am. If you come for me, I will come for you without holding break. I will not come for you first. Awa. Again, here I come for you. I bow that more. I be my mo jene. Yeah, bow that more. Yeah, bow that more. Yeah, go le more ya my bag more. I come for you. I will not come for you. I don't have that time. But if you come for me, I am going to double come for you. That is me for you. I don't have cheapy. My spirit is high. For nonsense. I will double come for you and beat you black and blue without looking back, without being sorry for it. He's sorry yo because that is that. So if me and my husband don't talk for inside house, and we know say they go saga me and my innocent daughter, of your honey tete we here ina for say wa be me say if for say we want ya la yo hu wa mo so kian bi me yen gwa lo yen ado saga me yen ado atwe ni me nonsense na when me yari adwa emi Stephanie Gunla sin la live video me ono oviere we yen magwalo yen de gwalo don't put me to it please I don't want. You understand it now? Enough for say because only how I set it go good one. We are give a swim every time. Mommy, you not see what we talk. That they know where yes here. Oh, we men no can no so where mommy you know I talk and I know the do see now o maso but we only just said it inside the house where my beg you tagele say yangele de ni makai. Ano dafi men e wo ke ni ma gyan yangele deji. We yangele talo. So te na we the hair get fake no. Why we yan the fake no. Wa ma nya we o ma no wa gbinana etian no. Wa ma get talking ya no. Wa na atia fake. Anenia. Wa yo ma mo na ya tie etian no wa gbinana fake. O wo ma mo ma na ya tie fake. Ma me agbuwa nia. When wa ma ga degbuwa hu. Emi wa ma ga gbuwa. O dafi me no emi na tage yangele de jone. We gi yen we e go nya to ni me hie. We gu ya boda egbu e ya koloma. Eni yan saga ime. Ne fa so ni wo do make na hule ya yo vasabi deleto. I saga esa un donk star. Me ready ni na ya ti mo madan. So when me with the right thing me ma worry. Let them call me bad person, but I know I'm doing the right thing. I got team on one dancer guy me, but I mean no any me oh. I when me or say any now zo. And also so na you blessing me on top of that also ni ati me ni. Or say be na kin ayo. On wani mati ozo. So God bless bless. Or say be na kin and there's nothing they can do about it. It is our agreement. Agi saga me. E fancy me kena to lemu. Ya dele. E ki me kena adose. Bu bia ina me go be pa ya tie fon kole ala le period. Ala luwe. Even yan saga ime ne ma wo ye gbon wo yan dey na yan saga and everything. Even time we gani yan ribe no. O when we be dead na wa fio na me na yan ya fio gani yan no. Dating e matter you nu ya mwere abania. Now so if for 30 I go bear the insult. I go bear everything. Ati eni obi me but e ya ka gbe giro so egbe. Awa external azeno. When I swoni ye mi dan so egbe. O se ne bona gboji. Date we my ya mweria we minimal plan wo wa different we na me ya call let ku wa ku ba be yo me even me be ta we ma be yan saga man ya wa saga ma be na get later we o gba ihun kede wa sin we na kiun we ihun kede o se na we reason ni kian na kiun me I get my target for mind not to help her so that people can buy because what ye kina wa je kire ma do e saga na ga help for people to buy. Does that make me a fool? No, I am not a fool. It's certain you want my mama ya mumiria. No ma or a man where money mo man aboya. I don't baff so ye. You are bowa ma bogo me beni akwa dimo to ma dogo me. That dogo woge. No ka bowa bow ye. Me ma yo wagi me ya gioma ropa. Ado wu me. Ima wa yo rebe te wa gbe na so yo wa me gioma wi bowa wa ma bo. Ado wu me. So una kole idiotini. Me matter we na go call idiotini. Or say una hama me threatening me when you get we live video because when you got your bonne all do fawewa. Or say una tama me we nige we live video gwegwa because when we got your bonne all do fawewa. E saga no me saga we na e make saga we no sunu. E make saga we na my darling husband. Wetin wan for me because I want you my dear. Don't call anybody again. Who or deni ma we. Enough. Kenu mau abawo oge ya. Emi nu mo because me beg ene na we tu mo ha. Who we bad wa rekirie ke do ka we. I know the fear saga. I know the so you are afraid my darling. You are afraid of saga. You are afraid that they will insult you or they will insult your wives or they will insult your family. That is why you are running kitikata. And upon all you go do and read, they will only hold it for you for some time. And they will be oppressing you. And now you be too quiet, you do tear bonny no at the end. No go me, no go say, no go jie, no go oge. No go no me yan talk because mama me ni we. Okay ba mo oge, okay so anobie me. Urobe me madame, fine. Who got been normal, but una ba mo oge. After a matter ni give a phone. O man yen we ga robi me ba. Getting ye ga de ba egbe me robi me, ye ga gbin na niyan. Which is normal. I be to settle. I give a settle ne, akune. O ma ya robi me. Me no bueno da fi me gino na. O ma ya robi me. O ma ya robi me. Wo be ya robi me. O robi me we na robi me, e una jigo give ye. Me no we. Wo gwe robi me, e una jigo give ye ya. E una jigo give ye. Ona no we get passport. Una ye ne. We went to when ya we no jigo give ye the birthday abi me date of bialazi o no bia we no sunu I don't know, but we go give we for the children. What robi me? What are you going to give ba? Nega robi me. Abi de nuga na o me no tama he. Iwe dey to tama ya woman love me. Oh, I mean, no time concerning my family. Let them come and play it. I bet you, my darling. I have nothing against you. And then your partner we're not that female tie against me. Ni me a hold against you. Yeah, you bet your bonwe. I'm your man. I'm not going to tear bona. You know they. Yeah, you bet over your way. I can't go mad about you. Okay, I can't. Yeah, it's in when you wear. I just say, make a set buwe. Me no wear. Oh, me a set buwe. There may we ain't to tell it. Do buwe. Wagi mo aba. Wagi mo aba me no we na. Me ni ati ebona ma wo bi me na di won bi me yu peru dun we. Ana ati ebona bi me. Me maka gba ya feel to kwa gikin. We kun ta ma me we ni ga gikin na we hion. I mo so hion. Den we ipa we na toge. We can ya toge na we o give amonya to me here. Emi no wa mu we ya de call ne ya ta no what matter. Oh, o we can ita mi me ne matter na. O we toge me me a oni me kin no we na. Since we boya you no we ta me ma be. Because what my way when I bad boy, Unwe mama making na the one we Agbamuzale. So Agbamuzale na nowhere now. Did you deceive me to give me her hair to sell and lie to me that it is your hair? You will answer me. Because but for you to lie to me, is it lie? Because me okay. No, I was aware how you bought the hair and everything. I was aware. He said he pretend in ya or need to pretend in me avia you weko ya see ke do avia ya can do zone get come on ya here was one lewe get came on where okay he prefer he was one he okay on anywhere to talk him me do performance zo and me give me performance zo where do I me was zo e ma ti mo zo me a get any zo me give mo zo and go me zo he agba he was zo be na ni na no na doing he ati bo me da be agian begin na me no so no azo ba azo but ni me na to find out na all the me na who will lie to me, and I warned you after the settlement. Did I not warn you not to lie to me again? As brother and sister who working, or the other who working, did I not warn you not to lie to me again, Mr. Destiny? Hey, told him, mama, mama, no je, we are no name, mama, I never know why you do na. No matter be wearing my eva. You have to have your say. Erigualeji. Simple. This is how I want it. No matter give me chance. Or mumakweyo okay, where arriba this makweyo follow your way. Do one way when we go favor we follow. But it's good the person should know the truth. Don't roll, you know what? There roll, you win your way. What it better hey? Why will you lie to me? And why will you go and call it by the Murphy again? When I told you, you should not call any social media presenter again. Did I not tell you yesterday? I be there before yesterday. Don't call anybody again. Meyara saga. Ewe meyara saga. Una rule bu menwa. Ya ha mu menwa where e talk give am here o. And not okay. Unu menwa ya gbora gbon ya. If the whole social media decide to saga me because of a told him ageleke to, he not decide to saga me. Menwa pa ton he to tell me no dey yan rewo ya. No when you lebu menwa. Ya tama wait to ma making. You pa gbora gbon ya. No. What was the reason? With the fear. Abi, may they not beat me. With the fear or may not enter your body. Then who were warning me? Me matter be na who were tame or me get on here. It might get it be pirile luwa here. Who that but after the one you went after the one you went no more calling. Or mommy who respect on my or mommy who respect on my no more calling. Because in the process of calling, you are fooling yourself. Wako bona bawa defio bona. Wako bona bawa defio bona. On is defend the way we go le bobe. Only we are defend the way oh I don't know we le bobe. What is wrong with you, my darling? What is wrong with you? Have you ever seen me calling anybody to beg for what? To beg that they should not. They not getting a bed. I'm a walk keep no more with our okay, they will not get you call it by the Murphy there and I'm making no way. Who go any make balalue or me come from where? I'll give you call it a party mafia. Who go any make balalue? Is it that a come from where say? Or you where you call it by the Murphy there now? Ya explain it everyone at Etima. E come from when you are broken, you have the bed. Since I come from where? Ube go near Bawe Nania. A matter no roto ne since near Takane. Since I was young here, Takia. Okay, can go to Tammy. Do my go about how to Tammy. A matter near Takian, even near Tale, we are Talelia. Etimacy well. But for him to say what Tammy, okay, no river way, ever beg, ever because everybody can tell me, Lile, Edame, or Temeni. Everybody can tell Lilia. Also, not how we stubborn. I am going to stubborn because of how many men general. Did way where? Okay, in my way now, are we where? You where now? Uri la me, why fit the me? No, why fit the ring out? Now you want to tell me what I want to do. Now you get my life. If I choose to do it and keep it secret, is it your business? If I choose to do it and bring it out, how is it your business? How is it your business? Oh, why is it? If I choose to keep my relationship secret, if I am really doing it, is it your business? If I choose to do it and bring it out, is it your business? Enya guta we o mena eni rock by lao. Elao. No. Una no and say pity say no. Say nothing they move me. Nothing. If to say na me I'll do. I go do. And e the day. Eni rock by sunu. I will let me rock. I'll do. Because you know if it's what I not do you say I do. I'll not do. I'll do. So you see that nonsense now where the lie we put for your head now. If you say you know they talk to if I not put that for your head, because that is not they go on for a very long time. If I not put that for your head, maybe to who once maybe your maybe to what way any rock. asa wa ba gbon kan na ye owo water. You see the lies? Oh, get ready to ya go gwezo. But it don't matter. Oh. That doesn't matter at all. That's not an issue. At all. It's not an issue. But the issue is this. I told you never to call no social media presenter again. Anything they choose to believe, let them believe it. Anything they want to believe, they want to talk, let them talk. Is that not what I told you? But what did you do? 2 days. Una call it by the Murphy. Una explain my and you know all the lies in it. Why will you do that? Sis of body be. Or I mean, you know, time we keka we be. And now you know time we keka. A old man like you. How many of your friends they don't saga? You don't see they call they talk. If they saga they call they talk. They know they call they talk. If anyone want to talk with your mouth. I get my platform. If I want to talk, I get my platform. I'll talk. If I don't want to talk, I don't say you not rich. I don't want to talk to you. Get out. As far as I told you that if you try it again, I'm going to saga you. You think it's a lie. But it shock you now. Say I did on life. I did saga you. I be. Edo we oba ye mo pa ya gbo vien. O se ni ken na ge saga na ka botun. Edo we oba ye mo pa ya gbo vien. Iyen we uga we ti joke. Ruda ima de be do remind you we we e call on marupa. Ima we make a friend. Eddie Murphy is my father. I still respect him as my father. If you want to, you are family before, you are friends before. No na very edo mami egbe agbo ya tu we agogo mo egbe. If you want to call him and greet him as a brother, tie nu tu enu name e mo ba me bo e do abeje ami gbagba be to tagba wan yan agba me enjoy calling him to report anything to him, to tell him about your family, to tell him about what is going on. One person they saga you can call her, you can hey try Etibata my brother Etibata who are the gbe wetin saga we Etibata e you calling yen ni saga about all those are not be matter, all those one are rubbish. Yeah. Me to be me masaga about. It's saga about now. Una see the fight as it be. Why you don't do joke molokun like an about. What do I when saga about that will not be matter. I mean no baba tita mune. I mean where when saga ikeka. When you imagine me na me about see me and see you. About you not go survive. You na me we see me and see you survive. More time we now. Who survive? See me see you. Who survive? You go collapse. So he pay me well. Say now you go use your mouth. Go tell the tell another person. Waiting me and you discuss for inside house. You know say you lie to me. You can't go tell the rest people truth. You can't lie to me. But make I believe say you not lie to me because you go explain to me. Make I believe say you not lie. You go explain to me because I deserve you. If you want to send me message, you tell me the game well game on temata mame. Only give we na give no je no make u game on mu ye kele mame. And when me no sunu. You know what happen before. Anyway, sha. I still respect you and I still love you. And I want you all. Mona makao. Babi make I am the ni Allah the way sana. All disrespect all that for And then what temeni. All can make wa. And then what temeni. And then the destiny of your bagua the very phone. Ona call any presenter. When that one saga yen. Ona ya explain any other presenter. Ina mio ina hon. Iki alaja do saga eh. Igwe it you waya bagbe wa deba me saga no le nani wa koko megbe. Ni wa gun megbe. Ele gbe ake yavie. Kiko agbe won era we bere tumo shigbe. Erebo okin wo wa. Erebo. There are so many boys under you. No tiwe daddy. Kenu dien kenu ma dien. E ya respect we. Hey Jojanian. Hey Jojanian is a disgrace again. Hey Jojanian. Most of our men say we daddy did respect we. None of them no be any social media presenter. None of them. No more. Iyan mo. Aya saga. Nothing at Believe what you choose to believe. Believe it. It's not my business. Ma when you can hear. But if you choose to ask me before saga me, you not choose to call me where o ma when me we gume. Why are there? They no know. I o ma no why we are not we win o isabi wahala yo wa. O ma not say when you get work. Ege work where you are too smart to come to ask me question. Oh, all respect you not say we not know where you who's no know where my you not say where we no so na where you who's no know where my. But when I feel like where you don't want to involve yourself, you don't want to talk to anybody, it's your choice. I will explain. No me to that way you know because I don't know anything me woman we matter me we yacha. Even me ask me, go and say it the way you like. Who got time no my yasu not feel like you only do go on. You like do go on. You might only do go on here. Even no me platform me. Okay? Me mem wa mo aba. E me na you no time be wa like ya wa mo aba. If they call you for fight, if you can fight, fight. If you cannot fight, don't call anybody to come and fight for you. Enter us. So, why ya honey, huh? You better go meneo. Ijona boy, oh. Ijona boy. Ijona boy. Wa be when ya gwa na. Imaka abo go egwa. I better comment oh. Why we boy comment? He better comment. I forgive her for this one. I forgive her for this one. Me now I'll go and block a Paddy Murphy. Yeah, I'll block it because you only have beggar go me. Imo, ite mo we meti weri me. We mati momo. Ite mo. Ima be mo serio. E gani mana ka he we me sike we. E me no kuta be ojo ni akpe we na we when ya wagbe. Ima se gi mata e gani ma sike we ma we. I wa ke mo ja ke we ma na bale gbe ba na me ma na ye ri oje ayo, you know, ina temeni. But when I come to your house, I come close to you. I see and say you be very nice person. But when you do that thing, I say no, I not fit again. Everybody dey your own. Not me say I divest for you, but I just choose to be on my own. So I will block you. I go block everybody. I go dey okay. I just want to be okay. I go block you. Not me say I go call you, Epa, or no. I just want to wash you, and I want to let you know now. I know the verse for you. He only one day on my own for peace to reign. Imo we. Eteni nani sooner there mo. And imagine mo. But I abandon to go. Egwa be ni me. Madam. He jeve mo we now. He mo now. But o mami we do re fun do tie we. He totally negbe me ma we. O. He wepa. But uwa be Nigeria. Una wa do to me wa we ni do to we mi we boy I wa be mu we de depa but oge negbi me I cross a boundary ni I go man discuss wa be go discuss oge e go me discuss we I be discuss ogo me u ga orian saga me na come we de bayan saga me I me problem with it e me de bayan we gbe no problem, but I'm not calling to say thank you, sir. I'm not. So please, my darling people, if this live video, if he not there okay with you, not verse, just take out the way you see her. Because now my husband, now I know why you're waiting at the talk. If they feel say I no go fit sagaran. If they feel say me, I no go fit deal with her. I go come out, I go saga you. I go follow you follow grant. If I don't do anything, I go sit down for my house. If you they come, I go tell they say I made an open gate for you. Not the person when they open gate for, not be they go beat. If my people open gate for you, you can't beat me. They go wait for me. Yeah, when if we getting why they when you came. On my phone what going to the yeah, your capacity do right be me zale. Them and never can be me. You be me na ya beg. So not to say I joke if this one now, he forgive you. He wouldn't do you know we ya gele we a joke. Who got the better money. And all of na day now. I forgive her for this one. If you try him again, now go see my coming out. Enough is enough. So now where they just and say, what about Monica? Una not the year word. Una not the year word. So okay, I say Monica, person Monica, they join me. They fight another person. Monica not the ban fight anybody. Monica is setting the ban fight anybody. Okay? It can't be explained any before. Oma mwe mwoge ya muno man. Umwe mi gyo mama tema me tema ta devine mi ya join me no ya we. When am mwoge. Emi no masu no uteya. So I made yabe. And they told you me because after the time work, ya egwe bo yigi kun. Imagi on yigi kun. Then na work this way and don't talk na mania. Work me understand the whole thing. Me ga bo ma me yata mo ma be we mi ni yata 2019 ya ba mo oge. Ya na ba mo oge. Oye na me ti me we go do lele Monica gbe na be yo. Because e ke no mani na time. I don't na mo bo gbo gyo yere. Una do toge, una do when enemy. No, she is the right person. Ni here atama. Emi na mu gwe bati me. Do ya sunu. Kere ya be fefe Ojoni emi we tag na. O concern. But today ya come when we outside. Then you hear it say wa be no one Monica. Di ma yin la wo so give am here la no matter no so la wo forgive e. I got toge. I got when the ba we. Aga de nye we ti when the ba yin here. I was really loud because I cannot see here. If I not see that from here, one no guy went to work binane. Who work binane? Or I mo wa. We let dinner walatia. We let Monica walatia. We want pakarana no do game. We better not see me and everything. Why in here? In the sense where it can wanna form area no. It wanna drag a fans or a lover who work here. If I wanna drag a little tona. Because on no pity, no how well or not register or raping or go me happy. Oh man, you They will be able to find out where you came una. Okay, soon at least if you can come out and say I'm sorry or whatever, or you can do it or money or matter that. A lot of us, okay, what do you not do? Because I've seen so many places where my fans will say sorry on my behalf. Tagging email sorry with social media. Tagging email sorry. Sorry. Tagging email. Yeah, we mean the man about my way. Everyone always say okay. Even like where we never going to say sorry. Sorry, me no fear my bere egbo ma wa. Sorry, me no fear my bere egbo ma wa. But instead, una be bad person make tamu wa. Una wey dey claim lover, wey dey claim fans. Una be bad people. Unda wakin ari anari ave. Ana do gugwa ne so inebe eso me rie bae eso me ju no. Abi adam e ugwa. Wa ni mami o tene gugwa fo because why tin the phone ya type. Ah wa ma gbon wa hin. Eke no ko ni mudi ajo wa gwa mudi ayo. Me no wa. Eke no ko ni mudi aji. Wa the time I wear or dress or classic is seme or one seme and everything which I agree. It why I agree kakabo because me especially in your boy. And even you be more say you will say. Is that me and kede in the way nonsense. E why you why go meet me nigga na the way you feel be. Why am in tamu wana. Eke no mu jaji. Anu wa mi ni comment na bi ka to be Sarah o to be Stephanie. Ni na bi je ye be yo man ni bu wo me ni o tene gbiyan. Iyan me marry, iyan me marriage ka e, iyan me relationship ka e, e so me boyfriend. Any other atamuya support oma. Oma no we am what already bekwowe. Who say think how? Because of social media writing begbe na kalubi your how. Who are been a rubbish. Person where you dey support, you never see am for ground. We am what one go mudia we no mudia. You are the one causing insult to that poor woman. You are the one dragging that poor woman. All in the name of the fake fighting was fighting me oh. No wa be fighting na. A fake fighting was fighting me. No wa be fighting na. Akwa every day na wa be do alo you here. We as we fight on rich. No wa be oh. Nous lori ari wa gbon nous wa jon wa se fe ni emi wa ma bo wo no de puwa no puwa gine yin emi wa ma bo wo kan de puwa gine yin wa wa gbise yo wa ma mi o tene puwa wa ni boru wa bi ju ba yin gbegbe separate ju wa gba sawo lele ya yan wo do control ko ba no robodo do time be no ya yin e wo da fun nu lori ari e u sakame na Chelsea life na wetin do I control what about do I advise what about I'm training was wa I'm training was your jadio yere wa no ni bo me no ya de to I service agbo wa de o aba comment add much and why de e man de to wa yere classic people na you gbe fun oro e ya ro wa they are not on comment section are bloggers ni gwale o man ni asi kagbe ni have information Wogire e fans oge makin egui ni matafo wa polo viere re abawe ne mata make na ba attention na phone no abawe ta de bae on di name fu wa mo Lady Monica wa mo we to wa de bae wa mo we ne wa kedo ade ba me gbina wa mo we ne wa mo we le Monica ne wa kedo ade ba me gbina e to wa de ba me wa li je egbuwa yinu na be kenije ki gbuwa ne ni agbuwa wa na le go boni o wa ibe de ba gbina na nia o wa ibe gbe Monica ne na o wa gbe Monica ne na e wa kitana so to de ba me mama no ya de ba me ani be yin la wo forgive e were no e di ma yin so let nobody say she is fighting for me. Well, go fighting me. I went to her to explain things to her the way they started everything you know yasono and she said really and he came here explain my any a maternal lady where a Lady Monica someone calling you again where you know because I can't saga Monica I am maternity I can't saga Monica I am maternity audio no better do akpe if I say Monica do akpe because in feel when maybe like Tony Monica will be depressed Monica will feel bad Monica will be this and if you know the Monica la de do be aniki ave so ata ai ke wagun emi no sunu ya vi oil ajan ai ke o be na igbe o na gi bona bugbe wa do time no ya sunu e wa ya gbin na ni me no she's fighting for herself she's trying to remove the wala from herself where irogo me o ge mi no sunu o she's trying to do that talk gbin na me because ya wogu gbin na me one do ta we to do me bona ge it's a different matter it's a very separate matter gbin na me I didn't mean fit to go and tell her. Utieme, tamame we no so forget na we forget it. But I will know. We no yare and I really know. At the end of the day, it matters no me even though I know. E mini yere ba let the sleeping dog like the sleeping dog imala. Yeah, you prepare na okay go me ata ma he can move. where even yat and give no yat so no we are ya be na over ya remember boy he give a typhoid ne and I told her la oje he webezo forgive Miami blame me blame not of me blame who ba me blame we be blame and we agree the blame where okay at not okay fine we not take blame okay me take argument me move on don't go me blame ina yin forgive forgive everybody and move on and you get a wash at you send your marita then on me na gala lu ya la le period no na we gbe mu ere do after we marriage GPC warrior mejo nu gbe o ere gbo mo wa warrior mejo we marriage GPC do after le no ka sunu gbera ti e bo na wa be go me ti gun me gwa ki do de be Monica gang o we gbejo yere ladian o ma no ti egbe o se o eni no ni be mo ladian meta mu wa na nia we no ti egbu wo se destiny o ladian o wa come de wa rov yo o ma setting wa wa rov yo we no wo ma setting wa we no setting we e Facebook na disgrace we when we are le sagin e we no we gbina adultery we gbina against adultery we gbina tene eyin ogwa we no we gbina tene eyin ogwa na ibi we no fian we wo to ipin enu ma enu we itai owo kan supe we eyin ogwa no fian we wo to na ona palawa wo to eyin ogwa na palawa wo to na do ame wa eyin wa na fian wo wo to an go tele nu ya la le sagin eyin wa na fian wo wo to ona de wo fian wo to enwe fe nu la lo he ya na la jan one by one eyin wa na we no we kick against eyin wa where you are doing traditions in your serene do u me we e batemi we nu bati adudan wo re ba ni and enu we wo wa iko ya nu we mu la jan we ga ti adulterous nu we ga ri yan ga wo do erin ama we ri yan wo ya fe hu ya fe na ro we la dian ona do ve gbe wo ko no ro wo do o da fi me we ga ro we mi e wo ko no ro wo do de or dafi men we ga command o bi abi wuwe o be no wo be ni wi yan isabi wahala yo wa o bi abi wuwe nu we ga command we ehun de ga wo ko no rogodo but we wo ko no rogodo and wo kick against the adulterous iko fe we yo una mo ko no rogodo una line help una fe kun yo iba bo na fe kun lele we wetin you want talk are you not a shameless person like that? You should be ashamed of yourself. You are not the type of person destiny is supposed to mingle with. You are not where so my people why the wash the reason the good time me why I send the gume wa nakina because that ma send over party mo fi gume ba ni ma ge me ga be mi no sunu iba be gbera ma kan me iye mi no sunu ibe do gwa kan no one believe no one tell me o so lo wa be we I wa send the ere o ge me tell me mo ge ne ba ni wetin me pe o no ma be o whatever ti do die we maybe where but to make everybody know the truth. I don't like what my husband is doing. It's not nice. Everybody deserves to be okay. Okay? So that is it. God bless you all. Saloba no fiamu wa yabi no ma. Wa we say. Na bye bye. Mona take care.